Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Binance on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for Binance just like that. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap and click on this application that is going to show right over here. So simply go ahead and tap on it and click on this download and simply go ahead and click on the download icon, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading and installing onto your mobile device. Finally, once you've done that, once it is downloaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this open button and simply go ahead and click on allow and allow. There you go. Now you are successfully into your Binance application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you